All right. So I recently did a sound sample of Meghan Trainor's "I'm Gonna Lose You" on the Ukulele Underground forum, and I was asked to do a tutorial. So I learned this arrangement from Mika Kane's video, actually the Ukulele Site's video with Mika Kane on it. For their favorite ukes under or between $200 and $800. I'll try to link that in the description. Um, and so I loved it. I loved hearing his sound samples on the different ukes there. So I learned it so I can play it. So I'll try to teach it to you guys today. Here's how it goes. So this is my first tutorial ever, so cut me some slack. I'll try to teach it as best as I can. Hopefully it's pretty easy. Feel free to send me messages with questions, comments, whatever. So it's cool. It has some hammer-ons. It has some artificial harmonics in here. So I'll try to teach some of those things. It starts, the little quick intro is just the second string, third fret. Open first string, then third fret, so again 3 3 3, open 1, strum, then there's that pull off, and then back to the second string. So then it goes 3 3, open 3, E minor. So that's open 4 3 2, pull off on that second fret, first string, and then back to the on the second string, third fret. So starting again from the top. Pull off. Pull off. And then to the F. So that's a 2, open 1, 2 0, 1 0. So on that F, you strum it once. Then here's the artificial harmonics that I mentioned. You lift up the first finger, so you're just playing 2 0 0 0. And then the artificial harmonics, how you do that is the harmonic string is at the 12th fret. To do a harmonic, you barely touch the string and you pluck. And so to do an artificial harmonic, actually this is just like a one-handed harmonic. You're using your pointer finger on the 12th fret and you're just barely touching it. And then with your thumb, you're plucking. On the last one, with a high G, you don't have to do an artificial harmonic. I just play that as the 2. So it works with a low G, and there you would do the artificial harmonic, but instead of on the 12th fret, you would move it up to the 14th fret. Imagine that as a low G. Okay, so the whole thing from up to that point. Lift up the 1. So that just goes, I'm lifting up the 1. And then I go to a G with whatever this is. I don't know the chord. This is the pinky finger on the 3rd fret. And then you lift up the pinky. Then you go to a C. I wish I knew what the chord's name was. I'm a horrible teacher. But here I'm just holding 0, 0, 2, 7. Then I do a walk down. 7, 5, 3. Then I'm back to that E minor, which is a 0, 4, 3, 2. And then this is some sort of G. I think it's a 0, 5, 3, 5. And then there's a walk down there. 5, 3, 0, F. And then back to that harmonic. And then you finish. So there was a lot there. I'll do it again slowly. This is from E 5, 0, 5, 3, 5. Walk down. F. And then end with that C. And then this harmonic I thought was super cool. So this one does use an artificial harmonic. It sounds like this. So that just goes the harmonic on that 12th fret for these top 3 strings. You start with the 3rd. So go 3, 2, 4, 2, 4, and then you end with the C, which is a harmonic on the 15th fret. How it works is you're at the 12 here when it's open, and if I'm fretting the 3rd fret here, then I just need to add 3 here, so then that's a fret on the 15. Three, 2, 4, 2, 4, 1. Then that last strum on the C. Again, slowly. Hope that helps.